My very dear fellow human beings, here is an appeal from a doctor. In fight against COVID-19, we, the doctors, nurses, and paramedics, are putting our lives at high risk. Why? To protect your lives. We have very happy families behind, but we neglect them for many days and nights. Why? To return our patients back to their happy family lives. We work with very clumsy PPEs hurting us. We can't drink, eat, or even go to the toilet for hours and hours. Why? To be alive so that we can keep you alive. In return, we only demand you to take essential preventive measures of social distance, hand washing, and masking whenever required. Very easy for you. Can't you do that for us? Please. Thank you.